me lately is pollution. Pollution is a big cause if you move into a city, or if you live in a city with a lot of pollution, you can see it on your skin as well. So, and
I was
definitely
telling you
genetics.
that I see when I'm in Los Angeles that my skin isn't doing as well as, right now I've been spending a lot of time in Canada, and I found that my skin has stayed. Sorry, 1 second. Whew. Sorry. I know you're not supposed to sneeze into your hands. I know everybody that just saw that. Excuse me, it's just me here.